under the moonlight, a cowboy rides alone tonight. Texas wind and desert skies, freedom shining in his eyes. On no dirt crying through the night, campfire burning soft and bright. No city lights, no crowded bars, only horses and the stars. Countryside so wide, with dusty trails and endless rides. Cowboy soul forever free, living wild beneath the trees. The cold wind sings a lonely tune, while shadows dance beneath the moon. In the silence, hearts can hear the sound of freedom crystal clear.